Hello children, now 4th class mathematics 12th chapter. What is our chapter? Dividing into equal parts. Dividing into equal parts. So part 2 we already explaining now. What is the fraction? Which like we are dividing the equal parts. So in part 1 2 we are discussing. So now see here page number 112. Open in textbook now. You divide these 5 rotis equally among 2 people. 5 rotis equally among 2 people. 2 people. See which like they are distributed. See here. 1, 2, 3. In your textbook to have children like this. 4 and 5. So 5 rotis for 2 people. See here. 2 people. Which like they are dividing 5 rotis. First of all, each side to give it 1 roti, and then again 1 roti. So remaining 1 roti only left. So which one to give it? So this 1 roti we are dividing into 2 parts, 2 equal parts. So one half part given 1 people and another half part will given 1 people. Understand? So we are asking now A1 question here. How many full rotis will each person get? How many full rotis each person get? Each person get. So how many full rotis get each person? See, 1 and 2. 2 full rotis. Yes or no? 2 full rotis. This is not full roti now? Yes, only 2 full roti. 2. So B1. How many half rotis? How many half rotis each person get? Each person get. How many half rotis? So how many half rotis? There only having no half. Here half piece. Only 1 part. Here also this people also get half part. 1 half part. So 5 by 2 is equals to 2 full parts. 2 full parts and 1 half part. 2 full parts and 1 half part. You will be write here in the textbook and write the notebook also. Write down. Understand? So 5 rotis we are divided into equally 2 people. So 2 full rotis get and 1 half roti will get. So write down this. Next, 5 rotis among 4 people. 5 rotis among 4 people. So 5 rotis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for among 4 people. each one get 1 first. So again one roti is remaining. So this one roti. Half part means not 2 people, no. Before we are dividing in equal 2 parts, but here 4 people only having. So how many parts will dividing in this roti? 4 parts. Yes, 4 parts. So 4 equal parts. So in this part now we will distribute. 1. Okay, sorry. So 4 equal. So how many full rotis? How many full rotis each person get? How many full rotis each person get? Each person get. See here, how many full rotis? Only one now full roti. This is not. This is 1/4 part. Only one full roti. One full roti. Then how many 1/4 rotis did each person get? How many? How many 1/4 part? Rotis with each person get. With each person get. How many full rotis? And how many 1/4 part? So one only, na? One. So 5/4 is equals to 1 full part and 1/4 part 1. Write down. Note down, children. So 5 rotis we are distributing 4 people for equal parts, equal only. So 1 part each one get and 1/4 part also each one get. Okay, note down this. Then next to page number 114, 113 they are having no water bill on. So you only divide that. Okay, now for page number 114. So do these problems having now? Take out all of you. See now 114th page. The figures, first bit here, children. The figures given below have been divided into equal parts. So what part of each figure is shaded? One has done for you. See here, they are given now some 5 figures only given, children. See, first bit A1. So which shape is this, children? Do you know? Triangle. Very good. So in the triangle shape, so this like only shading hand. So we are given no fraction. So total 2 parts we are dividing. So 1 part only shading. So this is the 1/2 fraction. 1/2 fraction. Next to B1. Which shape is this? Square shape, no? Yes or no? Square shape. So this square shape. So how many parts to divide in? 2 parts. Here 1 part will shade. Like this shading, no? Yes. So 1/2. So 2 parts. So 1 part only shading. So numerator is 1. Denominator is 2. Do you know, children? Denominator, numerator. Understand? C1. See, here also square shape, no? Square shape. But here dividing into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. In these 4 equal parts too, we are shading on in your textbook too, you will see, children. Like this only shading. So total how many parts to divide in this picture? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So the denominator is 4. So how many parts will shade in here? 1, 2. 2 parts. 2 by 4. 2 by 4 part. And next to D1. See it. Rectangle shape now. So dividing into 4 equal parts. So 1 part with shading. Yes or no, children? Okay. So here, how many parts will divide in? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts to divide. 4. So how many parts are shading? Only 1. 1 part only. So where will write? In numerator place. 1. 1 by 4th part. Okay, understand? So next one. E question. Circle shape. So the circle shape divided into 4 parts. How many parts will shading? See here. How many parts will shading? Total 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts will dividing. 1, 2, 3 parts will shading. 3 by 4th part. So this is the half part. Here also half part. Here also observe, children. 2 by 4 is equals to also 2 under 2. 2 to the 4 now half part. This is also correct. This is also correct. 3 by 4 part. So you will be write this. Draw in your notebook to children. Do properly. This shading, use crayons. Color it. Okay. Okay. Next bit. Color the part of the figure that has been written below it. One has done for you. See here. Color they are given. Second bit to fraction only given. But not dividing the parts. Okay? We are doing now? Okay. Let us discuss that. So we will be right now. Okay. Now second bit. In that page only, page number 114 only. Now. A1. Shape, rectangle shape. So they are dividing already and given fraction of 1 by 2 part. So half part will be shaded. Yes. Next to B1. B1. So we shall given triangle shape. Triangle shape. So 2 parts too will divide it and then 1 part will shade. So I am dividing like this only, no? Okay. So 1 part will shade. So do properly. Next C1. They are given square shape, no? C. Square shape given 1/4 part. So here dividing 4 parts, and in these 4 parts to, so denominator is 4 now. So 4 parts to we are divided. So how many parts will shade in here? What is the numerator? 1. So 1 part will shade. Shade, okay? Use crayons. So 1/4 part. Next D1. See, D1 which shape having? Circle. Which shape? Circle shape. 3/4. 3/4. 4 is denominator, 3 is numerator. So how many parts will to dividing? 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. In these 4 equal parts to, how many parts will shading? What is the numerator number? That part only will shade. Understand? So what is the numerator? That one only we are shading, not the denominator part. Understand? Denominator means how many parts to will dividing, that is the denominator. 3 parts will shade. 3 parts to will be shading now, no? Okay. 3 parts. So 3 parts will shade. Next E1. Again given here also square shape, no? Yes. Square shape. 2/4 part. 2/4 part. So 4 parts to we are dividing. Why we are dividing 4 parts in square shape? So denominator is 4, no? So what is the denominator number having? That numbers to we are taking the divide into that equal parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts to divide. So how many parts are shading here? 2 parts. We want 2 parts only. 2 parts. Any 2 parts we will be taking. Nothing will happen, no? So these 2 parts and these 2 parts, this and this. So before we are doing now this first bit C question. So there also having no. So any 2 parts will be taken. So 2/4 part. Next S1. So here given rectangle shape. So 1/4. What is the fraction? 1/4. So 4 equal parts to divide. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. So 1 part will be shade. So numerator is 1 now. So 1 part is shade. Okay. You will be note down, children. Note down all of you. Okay. Completed? Okay, children. Now third bit, page number 115. 115 page, third bit. Color 1/2 of the group of figures given below. Color 1/2 of the group of figures given below. They are given now some pictures. Observe children the pictures. See here, A1. There are no leaves. So 4 leaves only hang. in these 4 parts, 4 leaves to half part means how many? 2 leaves. So 2 leaves to you will shade. 2 leaves. Oh. Next one. They are given no circles. How many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 circles. So in that 10 circles to up, 5 only now? Yes. So now in 5 circles to you will shade. Any 5 circles you will take. Nothing will happen now. 6. 1. I am taking like this. 2. You are also taking continuously and alternately also. But you are shading the 5 circles. 3, 4 and 5. 5 circles. So next to C1. They are given no flowers. So upside 6, downside 6. 12 having now. So you will draw the 6 flowers too. Okay, you will do that. Next to D1. They are given no like this shape. Okay, this one half part. This half part. So you will half part will shade. This is the half part. Then E1. I am not drawing no C1. You only draw that 6 flowers too. So here also having one big leaf now. Leaf, big leaf. Okay. So here half part means here already having one line. So you will be drawing, shading half part. So this all half part only, half figures too. We are coloring now. Yes, okay. Next, fourth bit 1 by 4 parts. So we are discussing next class too. So you will do this, children. Notebook too also you will draw. Use crayons. Okay, children.